The Beamers, built for Bavarian curves, now danced and slithered, their engines growling in protest as we wrestled for control. Then came the washed-out stretches, where half the lane had vanished into the gorge below, leaving us to inch along the surviving edge, the roar of a river echoing from the void. This was pure, unscripted riding. It was exhausting, exhilarating, and it plastered us and the bikes in a uniform coat of mountain grime. The waterfalls we passed no longer felt like